Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for Mustang Runner. It's a spin you around flat ride here at Worlds of Fun. We're here for Halloween Haunt, daytime edition. Lots of families are around at this time, and then we'll have some nighttime events later. We'll try to cover some of the haunted items for the channel, but up first is going to be Mustang Runner. All right, so let's get going. Any particular choice, Becky? What looks clean?
That one doesn't.
Let's just mosey around. This one looks newer back here. There it is, number 2. The Deuce. Are you in? You got your elbows in? Or? Okay, I'm gonna get in. This thing's gonna swing. Oh, okay. But seatbelt.
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 As far as it goes.
No. That can't be as far as it goes. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Burritos.
Uh-huh. We're in. He's gonna ask us to pull up on the seatbelt when he comes back around. Oh.
Snap.
Uh-huh. Oh,
push it.
boy.
I feel like we're gonna bottom out.
Oh, boy. It's like a near miss.
It is. Oh,
It's a scrambler. It's a scrambler.
goodness.
Oh,
Oh, boy.
boy. Here we go.
Oh.
The bob and the weave.
Very spinny.
Got the drop tower right next to this one. Okay.
Oh, goodness.
Now I'm feeling it a little bit.
Oh, snap.
She's jumping. A little bit of a dip there. These are always fun though.
Woo!
This is a great family ride, I feel like.
Oh, man.
Oh. Yeehaw. Uh-huh. So I'm fine right now.
I don't know where to look.
Well, that's the thing. It's like you're up and then you're down and then you're up and then you're down, and the whole time you're spinning. So it's kind of an interesting, I'd say you definitely feel the most like right here on the dip. It like takes your feet up and then right back down.
Right.
So, but it's a fun one. Oh, now it's kind of kicking out.
Oh boy.
I'm swinging a little bit. There we go. There it is.
Oh, snap. I think everyone is.
And she's leveling out.
Yikes. That was getting rough.
Oh boy.
Oh. Leaning a little.
Still hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Woo! Beautiful.
All right. This girl behind us is screaming, "Get me out."
Oh, really? Ah.
Hold the bar up, Becky. I gotta get the seatbelt. Okay. Out and about. Oh, my sunglasses. That way. All right, Mustang Runner, a great little flat ride here at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City. We're having a great time at the park. It's the daytime part of the Halloween haunt, and then we will cover the nighttime part, so there'll be more videos out all the time. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers, and we will see you soon on the next video.